What is up, guys? It's Elijah from Worship Bass Room, and today, I'm very excited about this video. We finally got ourselves some official Worship Bass Room merch. Take a good look. Look, we got a bass clef here in the front. Back, we got sick design. We got Jesus here in the center. Making joyful noise, because that's what God calls us to do. Always got to put him first. But yeah, we got t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, hoodies, all different colors. Yeah. So go check the first link in the description down there. I'm waiting. Should you click it? No, but for real, go cop yourself some of this fire merch. You're not gonna want to miss it. But yeah, we got a sweet montage coming up, so stick around for that. See you in the next one.